So I chose UACCM because it's close to home. I live in Atkins, so it's only about a 20-25 minute drive. And they offered the welding program, which I was looking into at the time. What I really love about UACCM is that the instructors, the teachers are very, very caring about you. They want to know how you're doing, in your personal life as well as your school life, and they care about showing you the correct way of doing things. Being a female in this industry it's tough, and I believe you kind of have to be tough to kind of go into this industry because it is male dominated, and it's very unique for me to be in this industry because I grew up, my parents wanted me to be a doctor. They wanted me to do something that wasn't physically demanding, but that just wasn't the road for me. And when I found welding, it was a huge surprise because you don't see that many females in the industry. Before I started, I actually talked to another female welder, the only one I knew of, and she said, "Oh yeah, it's great. You have to be confident." To serve as a role model to other females, I think it's a great opportunity. And it's funny because most of the men in the industry will say, females are generally a little better just because they pay more attention to detail.